There's been a lot of craziness going on in the stock market as of recent. We are massively invested in Tesla, so I thought I would bring an update video on the Tesla charts. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you're all well. Just looking at Tesla charts, some news that's come out with Tesla about the issues with Shanghai. It's well documented, it has been for a while. Elon Musk himself has said that supply chain issues have been a concern, but they're able to meet the demands. Elon has consistently delivered over the quarters over the last sort of 18 to 24 months. Not looking at too much at the fundamentals, we know what Tesla's all about. Let's just look at the here and now on the charts. So if I look at the day charts here, we can see we drew these levels of support in and around 872. If we fell through that, then the next level was going to be in and around sort of a 786, 790, in and around that range. And we have seen over the last couple of days this level be tested several times. If we go to the 4-hour chart, for example, we can see that if we go back as far as these levels, we can see that this level was a difficult area for Tesla to fall down below, and we haven't seen below those levels realistically since you're going back to September 21. So it has been a significant amount of time. We have tested it here in 24th of February, then we tested it again in March on the lows, and you can see the RSI is massively oversold. We have just touched those types of areas again here, and we can see that again we're dancing in and around this area, and that is where we've been buying, putting into my Discord the areas of top up, and we've been riding this unfortunately down, but we've been topping up at the right times, and we're trying to bring that average price down and make profits along the way. How do I foresee this going? Well, unfortunately we have seen a sell symbol come in. We are now well below our averages, and we have seen about a 17% pullback. Now currently in the pre-markets, which is Wednesday the 11th, we have seen a bit of a jump again in the pre-markets. Yesterday was a green day of about 1.64%, so that is positive. However, the indications and moving averages and all the things that we will look at here, i.e. the RSI being massively oversold, that is a positive. The MACD looks to be ever so slightly turning around, looks to be bottoming out potentially, but that is not the case yet. If we switch it to the day chart, we can see we're still massively down, and these areas here and the RSI and MACD would say that there's probably a bit more pain to come. However, again, if we go down and really test this level of 786 in terms of a full-bodied candle, that may be the end of the pain, and then hopefully we will see a rise up. We can see from the all-time highs, we are down well over 35%, so that is a significant pullback. That would be into bearish territory in terms of a pullback. So when you consider the whole general market and the way the S&P is, the NASDAQ, well into bear markets, Tesla, believe it or not, has done that, and it may not feel that way because it's been such a well-performing stock, but it has pulled back that much. I am confident enough that we will not hopefully see any lower than $700. That would be my low scenario. Right now, I do foresee us bouncing, but this area here is key. If we fall below sort of a 770 area, I wouldn't be surprised if we massively went on a bit of a run down to in and around 700. That would be my next top up level, and of course, like always, if we do end up touching that level, I will come back with a video and we'll talk about the next level of support. That is the bearish case. The bullish case is that we do fall down a bit more, sort of test this level for the third time, and if we do go back, we can see 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then jump. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then jump. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and then jump. Again, looking at the weekly chart, we have become a sell on the 25th of April. We see our averages are now crossing over, which isn't great, and it is on a decline on the RSI and MACD, but the incline is still strong on the 180-day, which is the longer trend line. So turning on our Bollinger Bands, we can see we're coming into the lower areas here as well, and if we even just switch that back to the day chart, again, we can see we're in the lower areas here. These are the types of areas where you like to buy. So it's squeaky bum time. It could really go do a new level of lows, or this could be the best opportunity to be buying and topping up. If you are buying and topping up at this level, you're kind of going in advance of the charts telling us to buy. It's not necessarily a become a buy, but it is saying that this is an area of good top up potential. We bought at 870, I bought at 780. We're just timing our buys nicely on the way down. Tesla's the best stock to be having, and right now with the current market uncertainty, there's thousands of stocks out there that would be potentially great to be invested in right now, but for me, as a layer of security and to always try and be in this market, I never want to be fully cash out. I have chosen Tesla as my go-to safe haven, if you want to call it that, because it may pull back more, but it'll be the first one to rise up. It is arguably the best stock out there to be invested in right now, and that is my opinion. Of course, do your own due diligence. If you have found this video informative, please smash the like button and subscribe if you're interested in learning how to trade and all this kind of stuff. The link is down below, where you'll learn everything for a very low fee of £80. That price is going up after 6 months, which is only about 3 weeks away now, so make sure to smash that or get into the Discord if you prefer. And I would check out this video on Elon Musk where he's talking about the future and how lithium, recycling batteries, all of this kind of thing is going to be massive, and Tesla's obviously going to play a massive part within that. So I would check out this video, it is very, very good. And that is everything, I'll catch you soon. Peace.